A smash burger will always be better than a regular burger. You get the perfect ratio of meat to toppings, so let's make some. Divide a pound of ground beef into 4 equal sections, then shape each section into a round compacted ball. Pop these in the fridge while you prep your toppings. I like to do onion, tomatoes, lettuce, and pickles. Add your ball of meat to a super hot pan and flatten it out using parchment paper in between. Careful not to go too thin because this can dry out the meat. You could also use 2 spatulas like this to flatten out your patties if you don't have a burger press. Top these off with some cheddar cheese, cover until it's melty, take it off the heat, and then toast up some buns. For the burger sauce, combine mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, grated pickles, pickle juice, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Build your burger starting with the lettuce on the bottom, then tomato. Make sure you season that tomato and then the rest of your toppings, and